If cars was a game of football, these two brothers would be Aaron Rodgers on the one hand and Brett Favre on the other hand. We're talking about two of Wisconsin's own, two of their greatest sons. I'm talking about some hilarious, funny, you love to be around kind of dudes. The Ring brothers are just that. They're the real deal because they're real people first, and they're about helping you second. And so we had a little small masterclass. So we kept these two brothers in separate rooms because, you know, it can get competitive. But, man, when we got to talking about that body with Mike.
We did it in the early days, and we learned quick that you don't mess with what's right. You don't have to change things in a car just to change them. If they were cool and they still seem cool, don't change them.
And then we got to talking about finishing with Jim.
I can just come up and literally plug it in to the fuse box, and it's done. Nice clean setup, and then I can move on to, let's say, the headlights, the headlight group. So then I can take my headlight harnesses that are all pre-prepped, I can run all of this, then basically that's all I have to do is come in and plug this in, and I'm done with that circuit. So that's wired. Then I'll move on to my gauges that I have to wire.
Man, what a class. What a master class. SEMA across America. This is your newest, hottest product. Oh, cool. That's how it comes? That's some cool branding.
So then
Oh, that's
comes
cool.
with the tool to take your cap off.